Said I'm living my best life. Said I'm living my best life. Made a couple M's with my best friends. Turned on my L's in the best.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, Yaya's Corner. And in today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys all how I got this really cute top knot bun. And this is just on blow dried hair. So this is a really good protective style for fall transitioning into winter. I know we just hit fall, so of course we need some protective styles to do for our hair. I was looking for something new. Because I was getting tired of like my drawstring ponytails, and I kind of like how it looks like it's pressed hair, but I didn't have to press my hair. And I also did use like braiding hair for this too, so I blow dried my hair, and then I just used one pack of braiding hair. This is from Black and Gold, and you know it's only like $2 hair, and it's the Kankalone, so really easy, and I only had to use half a pack of the hair. So if you want to know how to get this look, definitely subscribe to my channel, give this video a thumbs up, and let's get straight into this tutorial. Okay, so for this hairstyle, I'm basically starting off with blow dried hair, and I like to use the Shea Moisture Miracle Style leave-in. This is really good. It has a ton of benefits, and it helps with protecting from heat damage. I'm also going to be using my peppermint hair oil. I like this for stimulating hair growth, and I'm going to be using my Jamaican black castor oil for my edges to help regrow them, thicken them, and just protect them overall. And I'm going to be using Gorilla Snot because it's really good and it helps for your hair not to revert back. That's not what you want for this hairstyle. So I'm going to first go in with my castor oil, and I'm going to place that all around my edges and then massage it in. And I didn't show the blow drying process because I felt like it was unnecessary, and I also have a video on my channel of how I blow dry my hair, so I will link that in the description. The process is exactly the same as in this video. So next, I'm just taking a regular brush, and I'm going to brush my hair upwards. This is going to help form the bun, so upwards, and it's also going to help get out any tangles and also to smooth my hair. And I believe this brush is also by Goody brand, so I really like their brushes. So this is like a nice brush to use, and I'm just smoothing the hair upwards because that helps to form the high bun. And I also like to use Goody brand scrunchies. Been using those for years. And first I'm going to go in with my Gorilla Snot, place it on my hand, and then I'm placing it all around the perimeter of my head. And I love this gel because it's sticky, but it smooths out your hair. It gives it a nice shine, and it has a nice hold. And then I'm going in with my boar bristle brush, and I'm just going to smooth that all together to get a nice sleek look. I'm going to place it upwards, and I always use 2 Goody brand scrunchies, but depending on how thick your hair is, you may only need to use 1, but I always use 2 because I feel like it just holds my hair way better. So I wrap it around about 3 times as well, and I create this ponytail, and then I twist the ponytail around itself into a smaller bun. And you can actually do this as a look if you do not want to add hair, but I'm going to add hair because I just feel like it makes the style look even more better. So yeah. And also, baby hairs, of course, is optional. I use a baby hair brush now, so as you can see. And I did my hairs off camera because it's just easier to do. And plus, I have a tutorial on my channel of how I do my baby hairs. So now I'm just slicking away any flyaways that I might have. And then I'm going to tie down my hair first. And I like to tie my hair for about 15 minutes. And that's pretty much good. So I'm going to go ahead and untie it. And I just like, while I was waiting, did my makeup and stuff like that. And as you can see, it gets a nice slick look. So now I'm going to go ahead and add my hair. I'm going to be using Kankalone braiding hair, and it's only about $2 for a pack, but I only used half of the pack, and I wrapped a scrunchie through it, and then I'm just placing the scrunchie over my bun, and I'm wrapping the hair around my head to form that nice perfect bun. And I actually had to do that a few times, so you might not get it on the first attempt. But yeah, I wrapped it around, and then I'm just placing a scrunchie over it. And you may need a few bobby pins just to stick in there just to make it even more perfect. As you see, I'll take a few bobby pins and stick them in there for any touch-ups. But I hope you guys all enjoyed this hairstyle. It makes a good protective style, and I think it looks really cute, and you get to use less heat and not too much heat on your hair if you want that like sleek, like pressed look without adding too much heat. So I hope you guys all enjoyed. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you guys on my next one. Bye guys. Kiki, do you love me? Are you riding? Say you never ever leave.